In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any website to your Brave home screen on mobile. If you like quick access to your favorite sites, this is a simple way to turn them into one-tap icons on your phone. Start by opening the Brave browser on your mobile device and navigating to the website you want. Make sure the page is fully loaded, then look for the three-dot menu inside Brave. Depending on your device and layout, it's often at the bottom right of the screen, though it may appear elsewhere on some phones. Tap that menu to reveal more options. In the menu, choose Add to Home Screen. On some sites, you might see Install App instead. That's Brave detecting a progressive web app, or PWA for short. A PWA behaves more like a lightweight app. It may open in its own window, show a splash screen, and sometimes even work offline if the site supports it. If you see Add to Home Screen, that's a standard shortcut. It still gives you fast access, but it opens the site in a regular Brave tab. After selecting the option, you'll be asked to name it. This is the label that appears under the icon on your home screen. Keep the name short and recognizable so it's easy to spot at a glance. When you're happy with it, confirm to create the shortcut. On some devices, you may be prompted to drag the icon onto your home screen. On others, it will be placed automatically. If you don't see it right away, check your last home screen page or your app drawer, then move it wherever you want. From now on, just tap that icon to jump straight to the site. If it was installed as an app, it will open in a standalone window. If it was added as a shortcut, it will open in Brave like a normal tab. Either way, it saves time and keeps your most used sites front and center. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see Add to Home Screen in the menu, make sure you're not in a private tab and that you're on the latest version of Brave. Some sites may not support Install App, and that's okay. Add to Home Screen still works great. You can move or remove the icon just like any other app on your phone by long pressing it. And if a site updates its icon later, reinstalling the shortcut can refresh how it looks. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of taps, you can turn any website into a convenient home screen shortcut using Brave on mobile.